Young Dizzle.
Hey y'all, it's JimiP and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget the subscribe button down below. Hit that bell button right next to it so you know if I want to upload all of my videos. And of course, go and follow me on all my social media at JimiP_. Y'all know we live on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, so make sure you follow me on there. So today I'm bringing y'all another wig install tutorial. This one is a little bit different, girl, because I'm not used to wearing something curly and short like this. It's a little different, okay? But just bear with me. I hope y'all enjoy, and of course all the links will be down below in the description box if you guys want to purchase or check out their website.
Girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. Got them both down and I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. She's adored to stay freshman. Told her I'ma pull up at your place at 10. Girl, you look good, I would risk everything. Make me forget what safe sex is. I'ma finish right now if I don't take breaths in. I recommend you don't listen to your friend. It ain't been the same since they stepped in. 25 deep in the same section. I'm on fire, you off hand. Tell me this ain't something that you do often. Can't say the same, so use caution. Use caution. Just say, hit me with an F and two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. I'm on town and I asked you questions. That last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. That last week and they already best friends. Last week and they already best friends. Two at a time and in my bed. One at the top and the other give me head. Girl on girl, I love it. You can run around, I love it. If you need a break cause you're thirsty, don't trip cause I want to burn it up. She says she love me but she want her to fuck love having a life. Baby make a wishing, I'ma do what you want. Ain't no more intermission, I'm trying to see what you want. Girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. Got them both down and I asked a few questions. That last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. That last week and they already best friends. That last week and they already best friends. She brought a buddy in. What you studying? Education, that's where the money is. You think you're funny, huh? Yeah, I know funny is. So what about you? A friend replied, I don't go to school. Okay, what you do? I'm a dancer. Quick question, are you a Cancer? I said, hell nah. Where you dance at? She said, blue flame. It should be jam-packed. I said, damn facts. So where y'all mans at? They said, what's that? Smiled at each other and they both laughed. I don't need a man, she my other half. We got something not a lot of others have. And I feel like I know it from the past. I mean, at this point, we're like lesbians. Then they had another laugh. That same came in with an F and two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. Got them both down and I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. Got them both down and I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. She's adored to stay freshman. Told her I'ma pull up at your place at 10. Girl, you look good, I would risk everything. Make me forget what safe sex is. I'ma finish right now if I don't take breaths in. I recommend you don't listen to your friend. It ain't been the same since they stepped in. 25 deep in the same section. I'm on fire, you off hand. Tell me this ain't something that you do often. Can't say the same, so use caution. Use caution. Just say, hit me with an F and two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. Got them on town and I asked you questions. That last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. That last week and they already best friends. Last week and they already best friends. Two at a time and in my bed. One at the top and the other give me head. Girl on girl, I love it. You can run around, I love it. If you need a break cause you're thirsty, don't trip cause I want to burn it up. She says she love me but she want her to fuck love having a life. Baby make a wishing, I'ma do what you want. Ain't no more intermission, I'm trying to see what you want. Girls with him, so last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. She brought a buddy in, what you studying? Education, that's where the money is. You think you funny, huh? Yeah, I know funny is. So what about you? A friend replied, I don't go to school. Okay, what you do? I'm a dancer. Quick question, are you a Cancer? I said, hell nah, where you dance at? She said, blue flame, it should be jam-packed. I said, damn facts, so where y'all mans at? They said, what's that? Smiled at each other and they both laughed. I don't need a man, she my other half. We got something not a lot of others have. And I feel like I know it from the past. I mean, at this point, we're like lesbians. Then they had another laugh. That thing came in with an F and blue girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. Got them both down and I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look. Again, like I said before, this is really different for me. I've never done anything like this, so I'm like trying to let it grow on me, you know. But aside from that, the hair is super nice, it's super soft, and yeah, I like the curls and everything. I just gotta get used to it, you know. I gotta get it to like frame my face. So I put some braids in it to kind of like pull it out of my face, and I don't know, just try to play around with it. So yeah, y'all let me know down below what y'all think. Again, all the links will be down below in the description box, so make sure you go check that out as well, and I will see y'all in my next video.